Okay, to update our contact card, we're going to begin by logging into KCloud. And KCloud is just a quick way for us to get to what we need. And all we're going to need to do to be able to edit our contact card. So this is the new teacher location to put your links and a little information about yourself and get people to where they need to go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the KCloud URL. If you're not familiar with that, that's https :/ that's whack whack / kcloud.killerisd.net. https kcloud.killerisd.net. And log into KCloud. I'm going to log in here, and this with your username and password. And my screen has a lot more icons probably than you're used to seeing, but you can simply search just by beginning to type for a contact. It's actually in this one is going to be contact update web contact here, or I can go to account. So everybody should have a button called account, and then you can see update web contact right here. So I update web contact, and it's going to bring me into this screen. You may not sign in automatically as I have not here. So if you go to the sign in up at the top right, okay, once you sign in, then you'll see that you have a new screen here. I see a few extra things, but edit user profile, most people this is what you're going to see. And this may be blank over here to the right, and I'm going to show you how to edit that or make some changes. These three dots, also known as ellipsis, if you select these three dots and you pull down to edit item, so let's select these three dots, pull down to edit item, and you will be able to edit your web profile. This is your teacher or user contact card. Your last name, first name, and full name should be populated. These fields that we see here, actually when it goes live, a lot of these will go away. So you should only need to actually two fields to update your bio and update your links area. The bio is if the bio actually will become named About Me. This will happen on Tuesday 8/12/2014. So by the time this goes live, this should say About Me instead of bio. And so the only two fields that you need to worry about updating are the bio and the links field. The message box where you can put the About Me message is a rich text box, and as you can see towards the top, up here in the top bar, we have a ribbon. This is very similar to the ribbon that you would see in Office. When you type in this box, you have all the same controls as far as making something bold and or adding some formatting to your text. You can after adding formatting to your text, you can also copy and paste from, if you already have information about me in a Word document, if you'd like to build that out somewhere else, and then copy that here. You can copy and paste. On the links, you can do the same thing. You can copy and paste as well. So if you'd like to build that out and then add that later, you can do that. One of the things I'm going to show you is going to creating a link. So I can give a little information and then I can add a link in this area, or I can put the link right in my sentence or my statement. So in this case, I'm going to go to KCloud to access applications you can use on a daily basis. And to do this, just the text that you would like to add a link to. So I just also typed Edmodo here, and I can type KCloud here. If I go to the top, you'll see that I have the ability to insert a link. So if I highlight an area, I'm able to make it, if I highlight an area, I'm able to add a link to that area. The same way that I would in most word processing applications. I go up, basically, I highlight the words that, or letters, text that I'd like to add a link to, and then I select link. And in this case, most of the time you're probably going to use from an address. So select from an address, and this is where I can type actually what I want in that information. So I can make it bold if I want right here. But you can also format it in the same way. from the top ribbon area. And then I would put the URL that I would like to go to. I'm just going to put an example here because I already have a link, so I'm just going to add something. KCloud. So if I select this, I can select Access and I can go to KCloud. I already had a link, so let me show you how to edit that link. If you'd like to edit that link, same thing. When you highlight this area, you'll now have a link tab at the top. You can remove the link or you can edit the link or the description, which is kind of the pop-up when you select over it. So I'm going to remove this one because I don't need that one. And then I'm going to leave this one, which is KCloud. And I'm going to change this back to lowercase. So that's it. Just update the bio if you like, and to have information about me is actually what this will become. And then update your links information. And this is just a good way to say on the first day, go to my contact card, or find my teacher contact, and then this is what we're going to do. We're going to start with Edmodo in this class, and you can select Edmodo, and that's where we're going to begin. Also, it's a few things that you could, if you have your parents go to something that's not on the campus site, or something that you just like to go to on a daily basis, and you'd like to inform your parents as well, or the community, you can put those links in here. Once you've updated your About Me field and your links field, just click Save, and it's going to save that. That's it. That's all we need to do to update our profile. We can actually close this window, and we can close this window, and we're done. When you're ready to check your bio or your About Me, you can click on Contacts, and you'll be able to find your information in the search bar. And when that comes up, it'll look similar to this, except we will not have the bio. We will not have the contacts area. We'll just have the bio is what they'll come to in the links, because we do not want to paste your email and phone information on the web to where it can be easily found, and you have different people calling you that you're not ready to contact with. We can use TAC, and there's other outlets to contact you and for you to disseminate information. So the bio and the links are going to be the two areas that goes live, and so that's how you can verify that. Again, if you go to your KCloud, you select account, or if you just search contacts, you'll see that comes up. Remember, in KCloud, all you ever have to do is you can open your screen and begin typing, or you can browse through your menus, and there is also a search button here to the top left. So there's several ways to get to that, and that's why we like to use KCloud to quickly get you to things that you need to do, and without going through all the multiple screens to get there.